This week on Dateline Schools, we're taking a look at what's happening out at the St. Clair County Technical Education Center as they're preparing for their annual open house coming up next Thursday. And to tell us more about it, my special guest is the Director of Tech, Pat Yanink. And Pat, yesterday we talked about your new education and early childhood development program, which is really something because the community says we have a need here. But that's not the only program that you do that has a lot of need. You know, I think one of them is manufacturing area, isn't it?
Right. Obviously, in St. Clair County and Michigan and the United States, there's a big need for workers in the manufacturing sector. And that's something that we are ready to help meet that demand. We've got 3 good manufacturing programs at St. Clair Tech. We've got our engineering and robotics program. We've got metal machining technology, and we've got welding technology. And all 3 of those programs are designed for the students to be able to go directly to work right from tech or continue their education at SC4, where we've got a really good agreement for the students to be able to articulate over to SC4 with credit from their time at tech.
And we're talking about these kids not just walking out into a minimum wage type of job. We're talking some jobs that have that pay pretty well, don't they?
Yeah, they really do. As people are probably aware, the wages have been going up based on the need for workers, and that's been a good thing for our students. And our kids are able to leave tech with credentials that they can use to find that entry-level job in the area, and they're coming up with some really good jobs right out of high school.
And the other thing too that tells me how well of a job you're teaching your kids in these programs have done very well on a national, local, state, and national competitions with the Skills USA competition, haven't they?
They have. Over the years, we've done very well, and that a lot of that has to do with our instructional staff. We've got well-qualified staff that come to us from business and industry. They're also certified teachers, and so they understand how to teach the content. But probably the most important part is a high percentage of the program is hands-on. The students are learning not just the knowledge part of their skill trade, but how to do the hands-on part, the developing skill that will transfer right to work. So they're going into jobs where they're doing production welding, or they're machining parts, or they're programming CNC machines, or programming robots in manufacturing.
More tomorrow for Dateline Schools. I'm Terry.